let's get started directly with the first game, which is called as Catapult King. The game is pretty similar to that of Angry Birds but with better graphics. The game is very simple to play. You will have a sling catapult which you should pull and destroy the structure in front of you, which has a lot of soldiers and all that stuff, which makes different sounds. So the lesser chances you take to destroy all these structures, the better your scores will be and the faster you move on to the next level. This is a really interesting game, and I'm sure for those of you who really liked Angry Birds and games like that, you will also love this game called as Catapult King. The link to download all the games will be in the description below, so don't forget to check out the description if you want to download any games that I mentioned in this video. So yeah, Catapult King, let me know your thoughts about this game in the comment section below. So the next game is called as Dumb Ways to Draw. It's basically a physics-based game where there will be a character for which you have to draw path to make him cross a hollow space or hazard. Not only that, in certain places the lines that you draw can be used as objects to press buttons or to open doors or to save the character from any falling objects. So it's basically a game that tests your creativity and also helps to reduce the stress as well as kill your boredom. By the way, if you have come this far and really enjoy watching my video, then a like to this video would be absolutely great to appreciate our efforts on making this video possible, and also share this video with all of your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap on the bell icon to get constant updates on whenever I upload any new video. Anyway, so the next game is called as Flip Diving, and some of you might recognize this game already because it's kind of popular here and there. So yeah, it's a cool physics based diving game which is really interesting and fun to play. So the game is very simple to play. What you have to do is to tap and hold on the screen to make the diver dive and do a flip. Now the challenging part of this game is not to make your diver dive into the water, but also to make him flip a lot so that you score better and the chance of you progressing to the next level will be higher. Anyone can make the diver dive easily, but it is not easy for him to dive straight away into the water, and also by doing some tricks or flips that you can say. It is a progression based game, so the more you go, the challenging it will become for you to play the game. So yeah, it is a really interesting game. The game's name is called as Flip Diving. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. The next game on the list is called as Save the Masters, and this game pretty much looks like a famous game called as Cut the Rope. This game is pretty simple. There will be a person who will be tied onto a rope and hanged. What you have to do is to cut the rope and set him free. So the challenging part will be that there will be a lot of other objects and other things also tied onto the rope. So you have to make him escape from all these hazards and evacuate him safely or set him free safely. So this is also a progression based game where the more you go, the difficult it becomes for you to play, and it's really interesting, and it also tests your patience and creativity at the same time, because you don't know which rope to cut first to set him free, because if you cut the wrong rope, then there are chances that your character might end up having any danger. So yes, it is a really great game, and its name is called as Save the Master. So the link is in the description below. Don't forget to check it out. So the last and final game on the list is called as Bottle Jump 3D. So it's a physics based game where you have a glass bottle. When you tap on the screen, the bottle will start jumping from one platform to another platform. The challenging part of this game is to not make the glass break by falling down. So initially it will be very easy to play because there won't be any barriers in front of the platforms, but the more you go, there'll be a lot of barriers, there'll be a lot of challenges which will make the game fun, interesting and more difficult. But overall it is a really interesting game, and the more you go, as I said, the difficult it becomes. So it is a really great game to kill your boredom and also reduce your stress. So yeah, Bottle Jump 3D for you guys. So these are all the interesting games that help you to kill your boredom and also reduce your stress, and let me know your thoughts about these games in the comment section below, and comment which one is your favorite game. And also don't forget to share this video with all of your friends, and like this video if you really enjoy the efforts that we have taken to make this video possible. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red color subscribe button below, and don't forget to tap the bell icon to get all the notifications whenever I post any new video. So this is me, Arnav, signing off. Talk to you guys in the next one. Bye bye.